Hello everyone. In this updated tutorial, we'll guide you on how to create a space on X using your Android device. Spaces are a great way to engage in conversations and connect with others in real time. Let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Open the X app on your Android device. Launch the X app from your app list or home screen to get started. Step 2. Tap the plus icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Look for the plus icon and tap on it to access additional features. Step 3. Select Spaces from the options. Tap on Spaces to begin creating your own space for conversation. Step 4. Tap Start Your Space to initiate the conversation. Customize your space settings and topic to make it engaging. Step 5. Invite who you want to join your space. Choose the participants you'd like to invite to join your space conversation. Step 6. Tap End when you finish your conversation. Once your conversation is complete, tap on End to close the space. Congratulations! You've successfully created a space on X using your Android device. Start meaningful conversations and connect with others through your space. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing for more tech guides. Thank you for watching.